tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subtract any number from 100, 1,000 and 10,000 with ease. For example, how do you subtract, say, 27 from 100? That is, what is 100 minus 27? Now, the conventional or the normal way that we do this is you write 100, then you put 27 beneath it, then you say 7 out of 0, it is not possible. You go to the next number to borrow. You don't get any number here to borrow. You go to the next one and you get 1 here. You add a 1 to this becomes 10. You take 1 from this and you add it to this becomes 10. So 7, and here is left with 9. So 7 from 10 you get 3, and 2 from 9 you get 7. So that means that if you subtract 27 from 100, you get 73. Now, that is the conventional way of doing this. Now, I'm going to show you a very shorter way that you can do this. So, with speed math, this is how you can do this. First, if you are given 100 minus 27, the first thing that you have to notice is that the number 100 has 3 digits. That is 1, 2, 3. So the final answer, you are going to get 2 digits. Always the answer will be 1 less in terms of the number of digits than the number that you are subtracting from. So because 100 has got 3 digits, the final answer will have 2 digits. Now, we are going to concentrate on this, but on 100. Now, what you have to do is that, 1, the first number here and the last number. Always you subtract the last number from 10. So that is an easy way to do this. What number should I add to 7 to get 10? That is 3. And the rest of the numbers, you subtract them from 9. So what number should I add to 2 to get 9? That is 7. So the correct answer is 73, as you see here. Let's look at another example. What is 100 minus 31? How do you solve this? So you first look at the last number. You can solve it from left to right or right to left. Okay, so if I am to solve it from the right to the left, 1 is the last number. So 1, I have to make sure that I subtract it from 10. So what number should I add to 1 to get 10? That is 9. But the rest will be 999. What number should I add to 3 to get 9? And that is 6. So the correct answer is 69. Let's take another example. For example, if I ask to subtract 17 from 100, the last one, you subtracted from 10. So you ask yourself, what number should I add to 7 to get 10? That is 3. But the rest will be 9. What number should I add to 1 to get 9? That is 8. So the correct answer is 83. Let's take the last example here. If I ask to subtract 4 from 100, and here it's pretty important. Because 100 has got 3 digits, we should get 2 digits in our answer. That is the answer that you get in terms of the number of digits. It is less 1 than the number of digits that you find in 100 here. Alright. So what is 100 minus 4? Now we have only one number, so that is the last number. So we subtracted it from 10. So what number should I add to 4 to get 10? That is 6. But I'm not done, because I should have had 2 digits. You just add 9. So you add 9 to compensate for the number of digits that you want. Now let's look at 1,000. The same approach is applied here. For example, if you ask to say subtract, say, 62 from 1,000. Now 1,000 has got how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer, I should get 3 digits, because I have to make sure that the number of digits in the final answer is 1 less than the number of digits in 1,000. 1,000 I've got 4 digits. So first I'm going to look at this. That is the last number. And what number should I add to 2 to get 10? That is 8. The rest will be 9. What number should I add to 6 to get 9? And that is 3. But because there is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, I should get 3 digits here, but I have 2 here, so you just add 9 to this. Let's look at another example. What is 1,000 minus, say, 380, maybe 4? What do we get here? Let's look at this. That is the last digit. What should I add to 4 to get 10? 6. But the rest will be 999. What should I add to 8 to get 9? That's 1. And what should I add to 3 to get 9? That should be 6. But here we have 4 digits, and the final answer should be in 3 digits. So we are okay here. Let's take the last one. What is 1,000 minus 800 and maybe say 26? Okay, so let's look at the last digits here. 86. What number should I add to 6 to get 10? That is 4. So the rest will be 999. What number should I add to 2 to get 9? That is 7. And what number should I add to 8 to get 9? That is 1. So the final answer is 174. Now, what if they gave you something like 1,000 minus 3? 1,000 has got 4 digits. The final answer, I should get 3 digits, but I have 1 here. So that is the last number. So what number should I add to 3 to get 10? That's 7. But I should get 3 digits, because for 1,000 I have 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer, I should get 3. So I just have to add 99 to make the 3. Okay, like 1,000 minus 8. That is the last number. What number should I add to 8 to get 10? That is 2, but I should get 3 digits. So I just add 99, and that's all. Now, what if it is 10,000? The same approach is used here. So let's look at 10,000 here. So we have 10,000, and how many digits do we have here? 10,000 has got 5 digits. So that is to say that our answer should get 4 digits. So let's take, say, 10,000 minus 281. Okay, so that is the last one. That is the last digit. So what number should I add to 1 to get 10? That is 9. The rest will be 99. What number should I add to 8 to get 9? 1. What number should I add to 2 to get 9? 7. But I should get 4 digits. I have 3 here, so I just add 9 in front, and that is 9,719. That is correct. Let me look at 10,000 minus 732. Let me take the last one. The last one here, what number should I add to 2 to get 10? That is 8. The rest will be 99. What number should I add to 3 to get 9? 6. What number should I add to 7 to get 9? 2. But because 10,000 has got 5 digits, I should have 4 digits here. I have 3, so I'll just add 9 here. So that is 9,000. That. Let's take the last one. What do you think will be 10,000 minus, say, 5? So 5 is just 1 digit. So what's number? So that's the last digit. What number should I add to 5 to get 10? That is 5. But because I have to get 4, I'll add 3 of 9s here, and that will be 9,995.